Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. With all our a billion websites online, you can reset assure that there is a lot of variety out there. In fact, many types of websites can actually just be created using ad templates because they are so well defined in 2022. However, one thing that is very clear is that not all websites have the same earning power. If your goal is to make money by running a website, you can significantly increase your chances by picking a popular website type. So in this video, I'm going to share some types of websites in which you can make money easily in 2022. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel with bell icon, and let's start the video. Today I will share some top websites in which you can earn money online. It is important to remember that no matter what, results will vary. Just because something is likely to be more successful or generate more income does not mean that it will. Experience, creativity and resource management play big roles in any successful business. Here is a list of websites that have the best chances of making money. Number 1 is blogging. Without a doubt, starting a blog is one of the most popular business venture out there for two simple reasons. Number 1, anyone can be a blogger, and number 2, you can blog about anything. And it should not come as a surprise that blogs are one of the most common types of websites available. With the popularity and widespread use of the WordPress platform, most web hosting companies offer free one-click installations of WordPress to help you get started. While it is true that it takes time to build an audience, once you have one, you are set. So you can monetize a blog in a variety of ways to maximize your revenue, and it can grow very quickly depending on how much content you can pump out. Number 2, e-commerce. An e-commerce website is one in which visitors purchase products from. And of course, it can be extremely lucrative if handled correctly. However, there are multiple ways to go about it. For example, you can follow the traditional online retail store or dropshipping model. The main difference between the two is that you do not purchase your product before someone buys them as a dropshipper. Thus, you will have lower initial costs. These make it much easier to start than the traditional model. Not only will you not need to purchase the products, but you will also not need to store them. Number 3, review websites. People like to know what they are buying before they actually purchase it. Review sites give buyers that opportunity, and these are websites that allow visitors to log in and leave a review on a product, movie, restaurant, or just about anything. There is actually very little content that the website owner needs to create. However, you might be wondering how exactly do these types of websites make money. Let me assure you, if you can rank highly, review websites are extremely profitable thanks to affiliate links. Including an affiliate link next to a product with great reviews has a proven track record of success. Number 4 is entertainment media website. Dropping huge headline in entertainment and media can often bring in a lot of traffic, and where there is traffic, there is ad revenue. People love keeping up with current events, entertainment, sports, and every other form of media out there. And that means that there is something new every single day to cover, which means you will never run out of content ideas, which makes this one of the easiest type of website to plan for. While it is certainly a crowded market to enter, there is still plenty of room for new website to join. The key is to differentiate yourself from the competition. Number 5, small business website. If you have a physical location or offer a local service like lawn care, you should have a website to accompany it. And obviously, this idea only applies to individuals with an actual small business to display. And it is often quite effective. Having an online presence is critical for shoppers to find your store in 2022. The sheer potential of local SEO alone is enough to warrant building a website for a brick and mortar business. Most individuals tend to use their phones to search for a store nearby, and not appearing in that search is a huge mistake. The websites can help generate foot traffic, place orders in advance, and host of other things that all generate income. Number 6, online portfolio. Are you a graphic designer, freelancer, writer, artist, or something similar? If so, you can prove your chance of finding work by creating your own online portfolio. An online portfolio demonstrates your work to potential customers and always includes contact information, and this can bring in a lot of business to increase your income. Just remember, you are displaying this for potential customers, which means it needs to be professionals and highlight your abilities. Number 7, questions and answers. One of the biggest uses of the internet since its inception is to find the answer to a question, and that is still true to this very day. In fact, finding answers is more popular than ever thanks to the rise of smartphones. It's never been easier to do. Quora and Yahoo Answers are perfect examples of larger websites that use this model, and they allow visitors to ask a question and also allow visitors to leave answers. It's create an interactive community that offers a great deal of help to visual anyone. Number 8 is a video website. Without a doubt, video content is becoming increasingly important, and that is in no small part thanks to mobile users. You may be thinking that all of your video content is stored on an other platform like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and etc. That there is no need to have your own website. That couldn't be future from the truth. Having your own website allows you to offer visitors the chance to view content before it goes live on other platform, sell merchandise, and display other important information. The more popular you are on another platform, the more popular your website will be. Number 9 is create a wiki. Wikipedia has changed the way most people research a topic. It is a collection of detailed information that a community can alter and keep up to date. However, anyone can create their very own wiki, and plenty of people have done so. For example, if you look up your favorite gaming franchise, I am positive you will find a dedicated wiki community that has compiled all of the information related to that franchise. On top of these, most have forums and chats that allows visitors to chat with each other, and which helps build a strong community. Wikis have become one of the most popular types of website. Number 10 is a job boards. While most people believe the internet makes it easy to find everything, skilled or niche labor is still a challenge to find in some areas. Job boards allow employers to post a job and for freelance workers to apply. For example, finding a math tutor, gardener, home improvement in the local area can be very difficult for some. A job board fixes this issue entirely and can help people find exactly what they are looking for. And of course, as the middleman, you will be able to charge a small fee for access to the service. You may even bring in a few bucks to add systems or selling banner space on the site. Number 11 is the educational website. Believe it or not, there are plenty of websites that are dedicated to education, and they make a killing doing it. Offering detailed information on specific school topics like math and science is a great way to target to students, and you can make your content stand out with great video content that demonstrate how to solve a problem is just icing on the cake. However, it is important to remember that if you target a younger audience, you make sure you are also advertising to their parents. After all, they are the ones who will be paying. In the end, experimentation is key. In most cases, you will need to mix and match websites' ideas to find what works best for you, which means that experimenting is really important. Beginners are often afraid to change something from a template, but I assure you that it is exactly what you should be doing. The last thing you want to be is a carbon copy of a larger website.